Alright, so this time we're going to be working on friend's Lexus. Got a couple of spots that are probably not going to be able to get fixed with some paint correction. Looks like some paint is needed on some of this that's really scraped down, but should be able to get at least looking better. Get all the water spots and whatnot off. Hopefully they'll just come right off when we wash it, but if not, we'll get the water spot stuff out from Kim guys to see if we can get them out. Haven't taken a look at the inside yet, but that's because it's the last part to be done. But we'll go ahead and get started on this and kind of see how it turns out. Alright, so washed, decontaminated. You can see there's still some water spots. Look like it's pretty deep embedded in the paint. Really hard to see on the video, but I'm gonna try to see if I can get those out with something else before I try to compound. Open up a lot more nicks and scratches and stuff that I originally didn't see when the car was dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it in the garage, try to work on those specific spots a little bit, and hopefully I'll be able to get a lot of them out. And definitely the water spots for sure are gonna be coming out one way or another. I'm gonna try a couple of different things on them if I can't get them to come out with just the regular water spot remover stuff. So all right, so outside is clean, ready to be polished. We're gonna move to the inside. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the inside completely, and then move to the polish and whatnot on the outside. So that way I can hopefully have this done today and then resting while it dries and whatnot on the outside. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so outside is all prepped and whatnot, other than the prep spray itself. But all the windows done. Everything is pretty much just ready, waiting for the prep. Then the ceramic coat. The inside is done and coated. So that's all done. What was this side? So, yeah, and all the glass and everything's been done on the inside and out. So up next is just literally the prep spray, and then onto the ceramic coat. I did get the water spots out. I had to pull out the heavy compound and disc to get that, but either way, it's looking pretty nice. And so if all goes as planned, the prep spray and the coat will go on this evening, and then it'll just be drying after that. I'll dress the tires and everything like that after I know that everything is going on well and I have no other issues. I pretty much like doing that to be one of the last things. And yeah, so that's it. All right, so I just Finished up with the rims and everything, so it's good to go on inside and out. Look at the outside real quick. And the inside. So this is the System X Pro, and then glass on glass, and then wheels on the rims. Yep. And it's done. So I'll call them and let them know it's ready to be picked up.